took a minute to be up and rolling, but here we go. Well, this has actually been a minute since I've done this. Yeah, reason being, I think I've just been busy, and you know how it is with trading. Specifically, if you feel you're not going to be dialed in, you're not going to be there, right, to be, you know, laser focused, it's better to stay out of the market because you lose money. Essentially, yeah. Well, I think my, approach to this business has kind of changed a bit, not so much. Yeah, I think I started doing this somewhere 2020, late 2022, 2023, and now I'm still doing it here. Yeah, but I can't really say I've gotten the gist of it. Can't really say I have it all figured out. So such is the can I say the complexity of this business. There's a lot you really have to know. There's a lot you really have to master about yourself. It's not just about getting the technical. It's also, for the most part, the technical, it doesn't really take long. You will know the technical, but again, it kind of it's not just knowing the technical. You have to know what really works for you and what doesn't work for you. Yeah, for example, you would know a strategy, a certain strategy, but then implementing it for you would not be, it won't just align with you. Yeah, you really don't have a choice. It's how you are, basically. Maybe you could work on yourself, but it just doesn't work like that for me. Yeah, I feel like there's kind of a certain strategy, and the thing is, you have to try by all means to keep it, what they say, pardon my language, super simple, stupid. You see, like that's to be really simple, because again, you're messing with your, it's yeah, the greatest battle you can ever fight is actually against yourself. You see, that's really hard to conquer. That's really hard to conquer. Yeah, so when you're fighting the greatest battle that you could ever fight, yeah, so you have to have a simple strategy, a simple approach to this. I mean, trading as it's as hard as it already is, you don't want to add another layer to it. All right, so I think let's start with all right, this guy. Yeah, don't know if this guy is a she or he. Yeah, yeah. All right, you kind of get it in a moment. My strategy, if you know about trading, it's kind of simple to get. So mostly what I do is I'll try to have a bias. Yeah, trying to get a bias in the market. And then after getting the bias, I'll simply go down. In most cases, I like to look at the 15 minutes time frame, right? So straight from daily, right? Trying to get the bias, get a log on what price is doing that particular day, and then after that, it goes straight to the 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes time frame for confirmation, 1 minute. I probably even like to use the 1 minute indices, especially when I'm trading the US 30 or US 100. I kind of use the 1 minute a lot, yeah, for confirmation. So I kind of use the 15 minutes time frame to follow. I'll follow the direction of the 15 minutes time frame, but I'll probably enter in the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, like I said from the very beginning, it's about what works for you. Well, the technicals you can get there, but then you would be trying to implement a certain strategy, but if yourself doesn't really align to that strategy, it's kind of difficult to make it work. Yeah. So for me, that's what I've discovered. That's because I'm very impatient. Really impatient. Yeah. I want to see things flying, moving, right, in minutes. That's just who I am, all right. You may be saying, "Yeah, this guy is crazy. Yeah, that can never work." Well, anything can work. Yeah, anything could work. Yeah, as long as it's just align with your personality, your inner self. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it sounds like some voodoo stuff right there. Yeah, but that's just the way it is. All right, enough blabbing and all that. Let's get down to business. All right, so as you can see, all right, as you can see, this is the daily, right? So yeah, I forgot to mention one important thing. So for me to know that for me to really have confidence in the market, I'll try to follow, you know, the daily should align with the weekly time frame. Yeah, the daily should align with the weekly time frame. So my bias for the week, right, right. If I'm on the weekly time frame, I try to have, a bias, okay. And in most cases, like a strong bias for me, I kind of short trades, right? So for example, if you look at this candle over there, let me just zoom in. All right, let me just zoom in. All right, not what I want. Just okay, okay, yeah. Let me just sample this. Okay, all right. So for me, what I like to look at is seeing this part here. It's kinda you know bearish. All right, it's a downward movement. It's a downward movement. You see that? Yeah. Well, so all right, all right. So this candle prints black. The following prints black. Okay. So if I was looking at this, all right, the moment this candle closes bearish, I would expect the following candle to also be bearish. Okay. See, at least how many candles? 1, 2, 3. Even this one counts because it actually gave me a movement downside. I would actually you know probably get something out of it. Yeah, I'll probably get something out of it. Okay, what am I saying? So simply my bias. So if I have a bias, all right, if I have a bias, all right, this is a bearish movement, a downward movement. Okay, so the moment this candle start printing, okay, it will probably look like it's about to go up. Okay, but the moment I start getting signals, bearish signals, downward signals, okay, you will know when the price really, behaving like it's about to turn. Okay, now right there, I would start, putting sell orders or buying, right, in the downwards direction. Yeah, because I know this was a bearish candle. sorry, yeah, bearish candle. This could as well end up to be a bearish candle. Yeah, see, even this one, even though probably when it started, it kinda behaved like it was about to end, which is tempting in a way. All right, yeah. When you're looking at when you're looking at it live, to really convince you, okay, to really convince you, because when you look at this order block right there, yeah, I also kind of specialize in this. I kind of use this a lot. In fact, for my entries, in most cases, I'm using these things, okay. So the moment I see this, all right, I want to enter the moment this candle opens. Yeah, and well, to be fair, right, to be fair, price kind of moves away, okay. If I were here, the moment price moves away, okay, I would yeah, my stop loss is down there. Yeah, you guessed it right, it's mostly down there. Yeah, so what I would do is the moment the price moves away, I'm really aggressive when it comes to my stop loss. I'll kind of bring it to break even when after this movement, when it comes back like that, it's not a loss for me, it's break even. Right, now back to this, okay. So, well, probability when speaking, when it's a bearish candle, right, and it closes nicely without, okay, there's a wick there, but it's not as big to convince you that it could tend to go to the upside. All right, you'll still be bearish. All right, your bias will still be. All right, so what am I saying? So this is a weekly, essentially that's how I, hopefully it makes sense, that's how I establish my bearish, that's how I establish my bias. All right, so the moment if I have bearish or a downward bias, okay, so the moment the daily start going down, all right, I wanna participate in that, yeah. And not just but for the sake of participating, it has to give me my models, my entry models. It has to show me, and I'll try to enter there and see how far it takes me. All right, essentially I'm just looking at candles basically. Yeah, I'm looking at candles to frame my bias and also enter trades. As simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less, nothing too complicated. It's as simple as that. Yeah. Well, if I see price, all right, so price was bullish, all right, and on this particular week it closed, all right, bearish. So the moment it does that, I'm expecting the following candle, that operate, I'm expecting it to be a bearish candle as well, because this all of a sudden closed bearish and downwards. See, downwards, okay. This starts going down, okay. So essentially what I'm saying, this is a Thursday, and you can see right there, only one day, only one more day to go. So today is Thursday, okay, and price still looks like that. So this is a weekly time frame candle. This is a weekly candle, right? So price looks like that. So most likely, all right, listen to my language, most likely, all right, it doesn't mean it's a fact. It could change in an instant. Yeah, there could be some major news and price would fly all the way to the downside. Yeah, but if it closes like this, so next week, right, the following week, I'm expecting price to sort of move upwards. I don't care how it's going to close. What I know is it will give me an upward movement, most likely. All right, yeah, most likely. I'm expecting that. So the moment this opens and it start giving me a bullish movement and it's aligning with the daily, all right. So I'll look to participate in that. Yeah, essentially that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so now Yeah, remember this was a backtest, so we said this was backtest. Right. Well, so most of you, right, because I already mentioned that I look at daily, I look at order blocks, okay? So order blocks could be different, okay, depending on how you're looking at it. But for me, order blocks are simply these things, okay? These things, all right? So what was I saying? I was just from saying, okay, I want to look at price close like this, and I want the moment price closes like that, all right? Yeah, because some of you may be looking at this and saying, that is a loss if you're looking at those things as order blocks. But here's the thing, right? So price, you can actually investigate this. Let me see if I can actually pinpoint it. So this is what I'll do. Okay, then let's have yeah, hopefully we can look at that. So let's use the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I usually use the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, remember I said this was a back test. So actually back testing. Okay, nice, beautiful, beautiful. You see, it's beautiful. Okay, so what am I saying? So the moment I have, order block, right? You remember we saw another block. Let's just go back there. All right. Remember? All right. I'm trying to show you something important, okay? Because the moment I see, this kind of shape or pattern in the market, where price was going down and eventually it's now going to the upside. Yeah. All right. I'll expect the next candle to print. All right. In most cases, I expect the next candle that will print to sort of give me to continue this movement. Okay. To continue this movement. All right. Never mind how it's going to close, but mostly to give you an upward movement. Yeah. If you're smart enough, that's enough. Okay. That's enough to participate. All right, give me just a minute. I need water. I just ran out of water and I need water. I'm back. Right, back again. Why is my machine making that funny sound? Okay. Yeah, hope that was a minute. Hope that was a minute. Yeah, I'm actually a teacher by profession. Yeah, teacher, IT expert. Yeah, it's that combination. So I think I remember when I'm writing on the board. Yeah, and then my some of my kids would be trying to ask a question, and I'll be like, give me a minute, let me just finish what I'm writing. Okay, so the kids will literally be there counting for me. So the moment the 1 minute is up, they'll be like, 1 minute is up. 1 minute is up, so you said we'll give you a minute. Funny kids. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, all right, let's continue. So, what was I trying to illustrate? So, I was trying to make a point, right? Some of you will be looking at this and saying, I probably get a loss, incur a loss there. Well, if you're smart about it, and remember I said I'm aggressive. I'm aggressive when it comes to my break even. I mean, my stop loss. Essentially, the moment price gives me a little, movement, um, put my stop loss to break even. I'd rather, get, straight break evens than having a loss. I just some of you would some of you would rather a loss or win. Well, that's for you. For me, I don't roll like that. All right. So remember, this was supposed to be back testing. Okay. So initially, essentially, you're not meant to be trading every time. Okay, it's not every time you have a trade. Okay, this is once in a while. All right, you win just like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so using the 15 minutes time frame alone. Okay, you see essentially. So this was on a Monday. This whole thing was on a Monday. Let me just do this. Let me do this so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Wait, better just right. Okay. Let me just go slow. Okay. I think you can see that. Okay. Okay. Nice. All right. So you see, well, I'm kind of using I will use the 15 minutes time frame to follow the daily time frame. Okay. So I know that price will give me an upward movement just from seeing price close with another block. I will know. Okay. I expect price the moment it opens to give me movements to the upside. Okay, so now let's just check how many. All right. Okay, there. So we have about 21. Yeah, about 21. And 21 pips is kind of for pairs. That's reasonable. Yeah. So imagine you're using a 2 pips stop loss. You probably get something like 6 ratio. Yeah. Or a 4 pip stop loss. Even 5. You sort of get at least you get a 3 basically. Okay, if you are that person that uses ratios, yeah, you probably get a 3, yeah, easily. Okay, not easily, but yeah, it's kind of possible. It's a point. Okay, it's kind of possible. And okay, if I'm actually expecting price to move, give me this upward movement, I would these are some of the ways, depending on what time I come to the chart. All right, so if I was maybe somewhere there, okay, from this point price is kind of moving undecisively, and you don't, if you're looking at this price movement live, you probably have no idea what's going on, and the only reference or framing point how you would use is this. All right, from there to there, and that's why I've highlighted, and I'm pretty sure you're already seeing that. Okay, so essentially price can maintain this, it stays close to the open. This is the open, it should be that's Tuesday. Okay, right, so the open is right, the open is essentially there. Okay, on this candle, yeah, opens, stays close to the open. Okay, so I'd usually use this my stop loss, then maybe enter the moment it touches this line. Yeah, I know when it touches the line. Yeah, and okay, all this gives me this and that movement. Oh, essentially probably look to get out of the market. Yeah, because of this, you see now price turns around and forms a small order block. Okay, like a clean order block. This is a clean order block. It has to be clean. Okay, and then the candle that follow should be, if I go to lower, let me see if we can use it, right? There should be another block. I mean, there should be a fair value gap somewhere there. Let's see if we can. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In that beautiful. It's just beautiful. Okay. Okay. Yeah, like I was saying, there should be some sort of fair value gap. And yeah. Well, for me, the major fair value gap I'm seeing right now is actually an inversion fair value gap right there. Okay, so this would be, and you see how price comes, stabs in that fair and inversion fair value gap. All right, it stabs in it, and it doesn't really show or give us some closure or some comfort that it would probably continue to the upside, because you see how many times it's acting like resistance there. Yeah, so this would probably give me or tell me to get out of the market, right? Otherwise, let's see how it goes, keeps going, we'll probably get something out of it. Yeah, yeah. So it would be kind of difficult to frame an entry over here. Yeah, but I think the clearest one I'm seeing, if I'm looking at other blocks, is this one there. Actually, that. Hey. Okay, that thing over there. Yeah, maybe even there. Yeah, these other ones not really convincing for me. Not really convincing. Yeah, not really convincing. Yeah, so otherwise, see how price continues from that low. This inversion value gap acts like resistance, and then comes down, and as you can see, okay, 8 takes out this low. Okay, and then when it does, what is there? Fair value gap. All right, so price comes back, reacts to that, showing that we probably go down. Yeah, probably go down. Yeah, and obviously if you're using this right as your framing point, yeah, this fair value gap, okay, your stop loss would be up there. Yeah, up there, somewhere there. Okay, that's how your stop loss would be. Yeah, even price and price essentially indicates that point. Yeah, so if you're looking at this and probably you're waiting for confirmations, maybe from the 1 minute, can I highly doubt if you can. I highly doubt. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, now we can talk realistically. Mm. This is beautiful. Okay, now I see that. So essentially, there's an invasion fair value gap over there, and as you can already see, right? So price, the moment price, get to that point, it moves away again. Yeah. It moves away. Okay, again, stabs to it. All right. So essentially, I would be looking at these order blocks. This is a clean order block, unlike these other ones. All right, give me that, auger candle. All right. So if I'm looking at this, probably try to enter there and enter, get something out of it. Essentially, that's the name of the game, right? See that? Okay, this is a clean order block. See, price goes. The point is, order blocks work. Yeah, they do work. That's out of the question. That's out of the question. Yeah, they do work. Yeah, I just have to. It's not everywhere they work though. You gotta. You are supposed to, you know, use them at strategic points essentially. Yeah, that's the point. Yeah. So you see, price again comes back to this invasion fair value bar, fair value gap. All right, and you see it forms that order block. All right, price tries one more time, it doesn't. Okay, and comes down, forms this one again, goes on. Okay, so we would probably use anything there. I mean, use this point as your stop loss and participate in this movement. Yeah, depending on how much you're risking. Okay, okay, but essentially, yeah, let me get back to this. Yeah, I'm not running away from my point over here. Right, so essentially, like I was saying, all right, if you remember, hopefully you haven't lost it. Using that order block, okay, our daily order block, like I said, we was expecting price to give us that upwards movement. Yeah, and this is not cherry picking. Oh, all right, it is cherry picking. Okay, yeah, but the thing is, if you have these moments like this, okay, you would I mean, moments like that would essentially make up for your losses if you're not over trading. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, okay, check this out. So, remember I said this was the only clean, you know, framing point. This was the only clean framing point. Excuse me. Let me drink some water. So, framing point, and the thing is, price forms 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, forming these order blocks, look to participate in this, and see that it gives you this beautiful movement. The other framing point I talked about was right there. Yeah, price shows, you know, hesitation to come to downside, forms now a candle, sort of grabs liquidity and then moves. Okay, I'm expecting price to move to the upward. Check this out, how many of these order blocks I'm getting. Okay, these. Okay, I'd probably use any of these, any of these, that, and stop loss there and capitalize on that. That's okay. The technical is not so hard. Essentially, right here, it's the technical and trying to see if our way of trade, our way of trading essentially works. Yeah, that was sort of trying to do. Right, and well, it does. Yeah, it does. Essentially, it does. Yeah. Okay. So, like I said, probability speaking, all right. If I this day, right, was, you know, massive movement to the upside. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I essentially saw this. Okay, this is qualifies to be another block for me. Yeah, because price was coming down and essentially started going up. Well, this is partly because of looking at too many, what instruments. Okay, and that's partly because of that. Okay, but I saw this and I was expecting price to, I don't know why I didn't participate in this. Okay, I was looking at something else. I think I was looking at US 100. Yeah, all right. So when, okay, there is this on the block, I'm expecting price to move to the upside. So I'll use the previous time frame. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let me just get this. Okay, can actually use the same thing. Okay. And then okay, I'm gonna delete you, bro. Don't comply. Okay, okay. So there was another block was formed over there, and the moment price, you know, open, I'm expecting it to give me something like that, you know, upward movement. All right. So it kind of looks the same. Well, it's not cherry picking. Okay. So I'll probably use, okay. And once again, it's really hard, difficult to do this when you're looking at these things live. Okay, because like we said, you're essentially fighting yourself. Okay, yeah, you're fighting, you know, the fear of loss and winning at the same time. Yeah, and winning at the same time, which is, to be fair, no, it's the right mentality. Okay, okay. So if I was looking at this, right, it's okay to miss trades. You will miss trades. Yeah, you will miss trades. I promise you, you will. It's okay, and you catch some, right? Yeah. So if I was looking at this, okay, it's around 14 hours. Yeah. Whoa, 14 hours. Okay. If I was looking at this and expecting price to go to the upside, all right, but the moment it opens, it doesn't really, give me, patterns that I would use to participate in the market. Okay. But if I really was desperate, wasn't, because waiting, price will give you a clear cut opportunity to participate. But if I didn't have time and just wanted to, just participate, I'll probably use, okay, probably use the open level and put my stop loss there and wait for price to give me that movement. And the moment it just moves away from me, I want to put my stop loss at break even, and then after that, whatever happens, I don't really care. Yeah, to play out, I'll just let it play out like that. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, but then if I was, darding in the market, okay, there's a point I would probably look at the same 15 minutes time frame. Yeah. So sorry about that. Okay. So you see, I'll probably look at that as well. This would draw my attention. Yeah. Though at this point, if I was looking at this live, I'll probably be a bit scared because price has already given me this movement, and at any time there could be a reversal, just covering up some of these imbalances. Even though price hasn't really come down, yeah, it is normal to expect that. Why is it okay? Right there, beautiful. See that? Okay. So, like I said, I usually go to 1 minute time frame for confirmation. Yeah. But essentially, let me just do this. Right. Okay. Just because I'm marking out all these, it doesn't mean that I'll try and use all of them. Yeah. I'll just use one, and if it gives me an entry, in most cases, I won't try to go back again. I just watch and wait for that one to play out, essentially. Right. 1 minute. Okay. The 1 minute was just all over the place. Some voodoo stuff over there. Yeah. Some voodoo stuff. Okay. So you see this? Okay, I'll go candle. Next one. Yeah. Well, I don't think I would use these. Yeah, but this one, my probably watch for this one. These I would use. That nice order block, two of them essentially. Yeah. Stop loss. Okay, the moment it sort of moves away, break even though would come back and take me out. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Check out the other ones. Okay. Doesn't really give me what I want. Yeah. So probably maybe looking at this. Let's try to do that. Make it bigger. Straight up. Okay. Oh, essentially, I think it does. Yeah. I think it does give me some. Yeah, something. Yeah, that's something. Yeah, you see price coming down. Okay. Forming this order block. The moment start forming this, right? Enter and most likely my stop loss would be down there. Okay, the moment it moves away from me, I might break even. Just write this, see why it takes me. Right, I'm at break even. I don't really care or scared as much of the article. Yeah, that's the thing. So let's start for dollar. Yeah, dollar. Let's get rid of this and look at some future perspectives. Okay, I remember this was a backtest. Yeah, backtest session. Yeah. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, I'm not really a fundamentalist. I'm a technical person. Yeah, okay. Actually into technical. Nope. Okay, beautiful. I'm actually into technical. Don't know why my machine is making that weird sound. I'm into technical, right? So we've actually spent quite a bit of time in this region. Yeah, we spent quite a bit of time in this region. Yeah, we've seen price. So this is what I'm talking about. Talking about this region. Okay. Hey. It's far up. That's all day. That's all day. Yeah, who was watching those cartoons? Yeah, but anyway, so we spent quite a bit of time in this region. Yeah. Essentially, I think in my other videos, sort of thought price would I should okay. Right, yeah. Sort of thought price would, in a way, come down to this area, but well, it doesn't really show that it would want to come down to this area. That's it. Yeah, we just spent quite a bit of time in this area. Yeah. Been spending quite a bit of time in this area. Yeah, same price, moved away, again, away, and again in that region. So now again, it looks like we might be, moving away from this region, going to the upside. And see how far it goes, and we can participate. Yeah, we'll see how far it goes. That's the thing. Careful. So daily, yeah, essentially daily does the same thing. Price is just playing around in this region. Yeah, it's playing around in there, which is fine. You can do whatever you want, but we'll ride you. Okay. There. So now, so daily, okay. So this is now questionable. Okay. Okay. Price would probably come back and start being dead. Yeah, price doesn't really like to leave this kind of thing. Yeah, it doesn't mean it won't. It could leave it, yeah, but just doesn't like. That's not how it plays. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get rid of this guy. Okay. So now on to the next pair. I think we won't really spend as much time because okay. Let's see what this tube is doing. Okay. Right. All right. So we're gonna do this, bruh. What are we gonna do? Yeah, like you, party. I'm about to take a trade, bro. Yeah, so I just put my stop loss down there. Yeah, okay. Friday, dangerous. So it's about 1,930. Yeah, and one risk just 2. Yeah. Okay. Bit of breathing space. Just breathing. Okay. And wow. Wine. Just like that. Yeah. Wine. Yeah. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah. So probably get out in there. I mean, it's Friday. Let's see what happens. But looks good because there's an imbalance there, and it forms order block. Another order block is forming. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, most things kind of like, and essentially this thing has been flying to the upside, and there's another block, alright. Another block actually was late to get into this. Yeah, my can actually even my stop loss is kind of sitting beautifully there. So this is just is more than enough. Yeah, it's more than enough. Basically. Yeah. But it doesn't mean price will get there. Yeah, I don't want you to get there. If it shows me, kinda wanna go in the opposite direction, I'll get up. As simple as that. But essentially, so right now my mind is kinda messed up. Yeah, it's kinda messed up. Yeah. Yeah, small figures, but right now is the small figures essentially. That's that's what I've got. Yeah, see, now I messed up. Should probably end this live stream now. Yeah, 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 yeah. But looking at a price like that won't do any good. Okay, so essentially price for the most part has been bullish here, and now it's going to the upside. And all right. Let me just maybe. Okay. Yeah. Mr. Dow Jones, what are you doing? Okay. Let's switch those. Okay, so essentially, price has sort of stayed on this trend line for quite a bit. Yeah, it has. It has, and right now it's still there, playing around. you could see it move away, because it's now stabbed into this imbalance. Yeah. Okay. Is it? Doesn't. Okay. Okay. It's fine. That's fine. Let me look at the weekly. Oh, the weekly is actually. Okay. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Actually, he is not my favorite guy. On the contrary, gold has been. Well, the funny thing is, most people say gold is what most people trade. But for me, yeah, but for me, essentially, every time I look at trade, I sort of lose, and for some reason, I sort of stay away from it. But essentially, it's been, moving like hell. It's just flying. Essentially, you seen the previous week. You can delete that, whatever that is. Okay, the previous week was bullish. Okay, it closes beautifully there, showing that obviously the next candle to open on also show a bit of movement to the upside, and it does, to be fair. Okay, it does. So open daily. Okay, you see, straight all the way straight. All these are sort of upward movement. Yeah, upward movements. Even today would end up to be probably most likely most likely go to the upside. Yeah. But that doesn't mean it will do that. Yeah. Anyway, guys, for now, let me end this live stream because I'm now hopefully this made sense. Yeah. Essentially, this was made for maybe my kids, my nephews, my families, right? When they realize it is it's something essentially. Yeah, maybe they could start watching my videos just to learn. Yeah, one or two things. Yeah, essentially. Yeah, that's the thing. It's just me, keeping track of what I'm doing. Yeah, yeah. So thank you for watching, and now I think I'll end this live stream because I'm now thinking about that trade I've placed, and yeah, let me see if I can find more. Yeah, God bless. I'm out.